Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Redmi K70 Pro. Premium finish, super smooth HyperOS, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and also the solid camera specs. In this video, let's check out everything about it. By the way, if you want to check the Redmi K70 series, you can check out from the link in the description from my friend's website, GizTop. GizTop always send me phones for review, and if you buy from them, you directly sponsor me. It's a trustworthy website. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first unboxing. So this is the packaging for the Redmi K70 Pro. Still the black one. Redmi K70 Pro with the golden color. Powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. Obviously, Xiaomi HyperOS is one of the highlights, and I've already done a really detailed review about it a month ago. You can check it out if you are interested. Now let's just open it. Already took out the phone, and here the first layer. Without any surprise, we have a pen. Okay, we check it. We'll use it later. A manual and also the phone case, black one, feels a little bit better, finishing, everything. But this looks like not that great, right? To be honest, if I buy one of the Redmi K70 Pros, I would use without case because this finish, this feels really good, alright? But we're talking about that later. Moving on, we have a 120 watts gallium nitride. They didn't say that. Okay, 120 watts charger, and also a Type-C cable. Okay, that's the unboxing. The same thing, the same shit like before. Now let's move to the phone. Alright, here is the Redmi K70 Pro, and here is the front. Move to the top. We have the infrared blaster and the denoise mic. The left, nothing. The bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C charging port, and also the SIM card slot. It's very much like its predecessors. Dual card, dual standby, not supporting SD card expansion, power key, and also the volume rocker. And move to the back, we have the camera module. So obviously, the main camera is 50 megapixels, and it supports 2x optical zoom. I'll test the camera a little bit later, and also I will do a dedicated camera comparison between the iQOO 12. If you compare them, I will do a dedicated video about it, put another different video, so subscribe if you haven't already. And let's check out its specs. As you can see, the HyperOS really took much smaller storage space. Like right now, it takes only 9 gigs, right? And alright, here are the specs. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Wow. 12 plus 4 gigs RAM, 5000 mAh battery, and 3200 by 1440 resolution, 6.67 inch screen. Camera specs, 50 plus, 12 plus, 50 megapixel rear camera. The front is 16 megapixel. Speaking of camera, let me go over here the interface. Pro, no, it doesn't have that variable aperture, so documents, video here, as I showed you yesterday. It supports up to 8K 24 FPS, 4K 60 FPS. So this is the 4K 60 FPS. Let me run a little bit. Xiaomi Shop. I made 2 million views each year. Okay, let's zoom a little bit. That's the, you see, that's the lovely Xiaomi staff. This is the 6x zoom. I can still see very clear. Also can see my camera here. Alright, so I will just use the main camera one time. Okay, let's just run a little bit. Okay, I'm running a little bit. Seems stable. I don't know. At least oh, I think I can still see the jittering effect. Okay, now I'm going outside. I have to like take this really quick because they're not allowed me to to take the phone out here. All right. The light transition seems not bad. Not bad. Okay, so 4K 60 FPS outdoors with better light. So I'm gonna run. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is 1060. Let's see the stabilization. It's good? Let me know. Okay, I just walk. If I just walk, seems like all good, right? Really, really good. Not bad, not bad. But I'm running, I can see the bouncing around. Seems not that great, huh? Let me like check really quickly about the front resolution. So 1080 30 fps. Okay, supports up to 1080 60 fps. Okay, not 4K. Alright, so this is the front camera, 1080 60 fps from the Redmi K70 Pro. So I'm right now testing indoors, you know. Let me just test, just go around and shoot everything. Okay, I should look at the front camera right here. But seems alright, right? Yeah, only 1080 60 fps. That's right. So okay, let me run. Let me run. Looks really stable. Holy Jesus! And it doesn't have that kind of breathing effect, you know, because breathing effect is pretty normal for all Xiaomi phones, to be honest. For all, not all Xiaomi phones, for all Redmi phones. Okay. So I'm right. So I'm taking the escalator. Okay. I'm gonna test outside a little bit. Still, I like to test the front camera a little bit. So 1080 60 fps. All right. The sky looks a little bit overexposed, just like all other Redmi phones or all the Xiaomi phones. I mean, for many Chinese brands, like phone brands, they all have really shitty front camera. I don't know why they just don't emphasize, don't put much effort on optimizing that, right? It's nowadays many people just use phones to do the vlogs, you know. So front camera is like extremely important. And this way, like iPhone has done much better job, right? iPhone has the best selfie without doubt. Regarding the hardware performance, the easiest way is to run Antutu Benchmark. It starts getting hot. No, not that hot. Alright, the score just came out. So 1.8 million. Wow. Woo. The CPU, GPU, MEM, UX. As you can see, the max temperature reached to 43.5 degrees Celsius. Not bad, not bad. The official information that says that it can surpass like 2 million or something, but yeah, this is That's maybe in the laboratory condition, but it's quite impressive. Quite impressive, isn't it? Alright, one thing, how can we miss is